Hi, my name's Leah Flaherty, and I'm a pain psychologist and the clinical director of the Empowered Relief Program at AHN. All pain is processed in our brain. In fact, our brain processes everything. How to walk, chew gum, say hello, maybe even all three at the same time. In order to keep us safe, our brain receives input from our body to let us know if something is dangerous. Pain is a very important piece of this puzzle. When we experience something painful from outside of our body, it rings an alarm inside of our brain and alerts us to move. This alarm sends a cascade of hormones all throughout our body to make sure that we can get to safety as quickly as possible. This helps us survive. When we experience an injury to our body, our brain saves the information about the pain. Sort of like how we save a document that we're working on, our brain makes sure that it keeps that important information to come back to later. This process of saving is what we pain psychologists call building a neural network. And this neural network is vital to make sure that we don't stick our finger in that socket again or grab a rose from the stem. When it leads to problems is when our brain goes too far in trying to protect us. Sometimes when people go through a very painful experience, the brain gets stuck in the pain network. It keeps saving to the wrong place. The brain can start saving neutral experiences as painful, which then starts to make everything feel painful. Importantly, we don't know that this is happening. Luckily, we don't have to think about most of the things that our brain does. Our brain is in charge of telling our lungs to breathe, of telling our heart to beat, of telling our legs how to balance. If we had to think about everything our brain was doing, we wouldn't have time to think about anything fun. However, we do have the power to interrupt these automatic processes. Hold your breath right now. You're doing it. In the same vein, with practice, you can interrupt the cycle of pain processing. You can teach your brain a better filing system. In collaboration with your healthcare providers, you can begin to work through the process of creating new neural networks, ones that are aimed towards relief rather than pain. Thank you for listening, and please visit our website to learn more.